I'm going to open the boxes. I'm starting with the most depressed looking box. I can't see what you guys can see because I've got you propped up on a table thing, but I'm pretty sure you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna carefully open the boxes, and they are very well sealed. This box seems to have Lily in it. So I took Lily across to New South Wales to meet her new mummy, and we both agreed that I'm going to do a bit more paint on her. So before I took her over, I was thinking she's a little bit on the purple side, so I'm going to do a bit more paint work on her. And then it's just the stock that didn't sell at the show. We got little outfits, cable ties. I must have one of your tape Reborn somewhere. Some blankets. I have a little bit of a, we'll call it a minor obsession of dinosaurs. So Shell Bell gave me this little outfit. Whoop. And it is so cute. Might try that on Elliot when I get him out. Baby bottles. A dummy that Mum found for me. It's got little bumblebees on it. Oopsies. My dummy chains. I will be doing a post, maybe not tonight, I'm not sure, just sometime in the next couple of days, with what I have available at the moment. So I want to try to get some stuff sold to make room in the nursery. Over the last few days since I've been home, so I've been home almost a week now, I've been working on my very own sculpt that I'm doing. She is between 17 and 18 inches long. I'm not 100% sure. It's a bit difficult measuring clay. But I'm excited to be producing her into silicone once her sculpt is finished. Dummies. If you guys want some dummies, I will be sending them as they are without the magnet attached. I'll send a magnet with them and some sticky felt so that you can see what side magnet you need. And I'll do a tutorial on how to do that later. And the baby in here is Miss Lily. Oh, this is her head. Terrify the cat by pushing a box across the floor. Sit Lily up here and you can all have a look at her. She is not a little baby, by the way. She's a bit of a chunker. This is Miss Lily. So we both agreed that she's a little bit too much on the purple side. So I'm going to do a little bit of corrective paintwork on her. She is a sculpt that I really, really like. So I'm actually happy to have her back in the nursery with me. Might actually move her to behind me where she'll be safe. Let's open the next one. Hey, Mimi. Oh, careful. Don't you stand on that baby. Be nice. Hey, be nice. He's just like, but it's touching my bed. Oh. Okay, this box has more babies in it. And so will that one. So drink bottle I won in a raffle. A little bed. Not for you, Meme. My sign that goes on my table. And the paperwork I was looking for. This folder has my stickers, COAs, birth certificates, and care instructions in it. Important stuff that I really don't want to lose. Another bottle. And we have a little emu. So Elliot I put in as like an emu farmer thing. I can show you when I find him. So this first one is going to be Madison. Get her out. Madison is a cuddle baby. She's not very light. She's a decent weight, but I find that therapeutic, which is why I've done her a bit heavier. She's still got a price tag, so she's $300. That's Madison. Keep her on a blanket. Put her over. With Lily. Excuse me, Miss Lily. More bottles. Another one. Cup holder for my walking frame that I've been looking for the last week. A little bumblebee. Who's next? Trying to see if I can tell who's who. Okay. But this one is Sweet Pea. She's Sweet Pea Asleep by Laura Lee Eagles. Painted hair and 3/4 limbs. She's about 23 inches long. She's also quite weighty and very floppy because of 3/4 limbs. She's $280 at the moment. Oh. And then the next baby is Little Miss Jasmine by Jade Warner. She is a full body silicone with very messed up hair right now. Traveling does not suit this little angel very well. She's Jade's super soft silicone. She has armatures in her arms, a few boo-boos like this little tear here, and a drink and wet system. She's super sweet. I'm surprised she hasn't sold yet. Move her over here as well. And then that's pretty much it, except for some blankets and stray dummies in this box. Flick it across the room. I did that purely to annoy Maisie. Oh, sorry, Maisie. I'm sorry, dude. I did not mean for that to get yours over into the box, I swear. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I threw a piece of cardboard towards the boxes, which Maisie's now in a box. Is that yours now? You can have it until tomorrow. Do not drop the phone. Okay. Hopefully you can still see what I'm doing. That's presuming you've been able to the whole time. Okay, box number 3. This has my ribbons in it. So Elliot got first place, and he also got best in section, so best in professional section baby, and trophy came with that. And then Ada, who I've not yet unwrapped, got second. These here. Beautiful blanket. very cold in this box. So this is the kit I won. So because Elliot got first and best in section, he helped me win this kit. I think she's gotten a little squished on her journey over, but that's okay. It is Annie by Lily Gold. I think she's 17 or 18 inches. She is so cute. I can't wait to paint her. She can go just there. This is my tablecloth, which needs to go in the wash. And I missed again. I'm sorry, Maisie. Tablecloth got soup on it. So, Elliot first. Actually, let's do Ada first. A heavy monkey. Sit Ada on the edge of the box. It's Miss Ada. She is really sweet. She's Ecoflex 20. She's Ada by Monica K, but poured by Jade Warner. Painted and hair done by me. She won second at the Wyon Doll Show, and she got third at the Perth, Western Australia Doll Show. And she's looking for a mummy or a daddy. And then, last little heffalump is Mr. Elliot, who also has some, scoot forward, messed up hair. So Elliot, I dressed up. Where's your hat, mate? Oh, he's missing his hat, but he has a cute little hat that goes with his outfit. He was dressed up as a little emu farmer. I did think about what was suggested to do him as a little fisherman, which someone else has had their baby set up as a fisherman, so I'm glad I went with the emu farmer. But he got, as I said before, first and best in the professional section. He is also available, all of these babies are. He's quite weighty and a large baby. He's about 23 inches, I think, with bent legs. Message me on Facebook if you're wanting any of them, or if you want bottles, dummies, dummy chains, anything like that. No. Maisie. Dummy chains, anything like that. I've got them all here ready to go. And we will speak soon. Find me on Facebook.